First, let's take a look at the door liner seal. In most cases, the seal is located around the tub frame of the oven. In some cases, it could be located around the door frame. Make certain that this door seal is soft and pliable to the touch. Make certain it's not hard or brittle or torn. This could result in fluctuating temperatures and poor baking results. The preheat process can take up to 15 or 20 minutes. Here's a helpful tip how to minimize that. Instead of preheating the oven with the bake selection, select the broiler selection on the oven frame and preheat the oven through the broiler process. The preheat process through a broil application will allow your oven to preheat in 10 minutes instead of 20 minutes. The most important thing to remember is make certain the surface of the range does not have any grease buildup or food buildup, specifically around the burner heads. Food buildup or grease buildup around the burner heads could result in a bad ignition, which could become combustible and create serious bodily injury. Next, let's talk about the surface burner operation for safety and proper flame height. The flame height on a surface burner valve should be adjusted on its low setting only. Here you can see on the low setting of this burner, the flame height is too low. The flame height should be a 1/4 inch above the burner head. A low flame height on a burner head could result in being extinguished by air movement through the room. Should the air extinguish the flame, the burner will still expel gas into the air, which can be a safety combustible hazard. If you have food or grease buildup on the surface of the unit or on the coil burners, it will result in poor temperatures for conducting heat to your pans. Next, let's talk about the self-cleaning process. We recommend that the self-clean process be performed at least twice a year or when necessary based on buildup inside the oven cavity. A helpful hint, never perform a self-cleaning process just before a holiday or when you're going to need your range. After ranges start to wear and tear, the self-cleaning process is the time that a mechanical failure will probably happen, thus resulting in a service call. The self-cleaning process usually takes 2 to 4 hours. At the end of the self-cleaning process, your range may indicate that it's done or completed. Thus, the door will not unlock until the range is completely cool. This could take up to 30 minutes after the indicator says that the range has been completed. Do not force the door open. Please try to be patient. The door will unlock. Most people try to unlock their door or pull it open before it unlocks, and it results in damaging the lock assembly. Here's another helpful tip. If you notice buildup between the door glasses on the oven door, you may believe it's because of a bad seal on the door, but it is not. When you clean this oven door frame, all doors have a vent across the top of the door. Never clean the face of the oven with a product spray bottle. The result will be that fluid will drip down between the door liner and accumulate between the door glass, and that's what you're seeing between your door frames. The only way to clean that is the door has to be removed and separated to clean it.